Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel and not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's a beauty way or no way, period. So today guys, I have my foundation routine for you guys. So if you are interested in this type of video, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing I will be using, I love to put rose water on my face, so I'll be using some rose water. And I'm gonna spray this all over my face. This is to just refresh my face. And I pat it in. And to moisturize, I'll be using the vitamin E, A, I, and D face moisturizer. Okay, so I'm just going to moisturize my face with that and make sure and get all your neck. And guys, this combination is so refreshing. The rose water is so refreshing. It makes your face feel so cool, and oh my god, it just revives my skin a lot, right? So the next product I will be using is the NYX Shine Killer Primer. This is what I'll be priming with. So guys, I like to put this in my T-zone and all the places that I do be shining. And you can see how it's making my face look matte, taking out all that shine away from my face. See, look at that. But still my face look refreshed and hydrated. So the foundation I'll be using today, it's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340, and this is the foundation here guys. And I will be using a makeup sponge. This is from Sasha Cosmetics. I have to build this foundation up a little to get my full coverage. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and Honey, and these are the two that I'll be using. So that is what I'm going to be using to conceal. So when I finish doing my concealer, now I'm going to blend. So I'm going to be using the same sponge. I'm going to blend out my concealer. And guys, I am using tapping motion. I'm not swiping, I'm tapping. When you tap, you get that airbrush finish. So what I'm going to be using for contour, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics contour and blush palette, and I'll be using this shade right here, and I'm going to contour my face. Okay, so after I finish contouring my face, I'm going in back with the AEROPOST concealer in the color Honey, and I'm gonna brighten up my eyes, under my eyes, just a little. You know, I really love a bright under eye, so I'm just brightening up that just a little bit. I'm just putting a little bit, I'm not putting plenty, right? And then I'm gonna blend that out. See guys, I'm just blending it out right directly under the eyes. I'm not dragging it too much, I'm just blending it right underneath, right here. Just blend everything together. And the key to a perfect face, guys, you do have to blend a lot. If you just want to just slam on some foundation or slap on some eyeshadow or slap on some eyebrows, it wouldn't work. You have to put in the time with that blending for your face to look flawless. To set my face, I will be using the Maybelline loose powder in the shade 35, and I'll be using that to set my face. Set under my eyes, I'll be using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So to set my face, I will be using the Sasha Fix It setting spray. So I'm going to drench my face in So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoy this video. If you would like to see this makeup look, the eyeshadow look, I'll leave a link down in the description bar down below. I hope you all enjoy my makeup, my foundation routine. If you like guys, you can leave a comment down below. If you like guys, you can leave a comment down below letting me know what video you all would like to see next. If you all like to see some chit chat video, if you all would like to see some story times, because I have a lot of story times, just leave that link down below and I will get back to you guys. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you babies in the next one. Bye guys.